Stephen, so let me ask you a question, and maybe we can go this. So the issue that I'm still having with my patients on any, it's acne. And we tend to see a lot of acne on our patients. So what we do with our patients, of course, the cleaner you eat, the better you tend to do. We try to improve their gut health. If we see acne, we'll kind of do to decrease the peak. So we'll go 3 times a week, microdosing daily. But we have some patients, no matter everything we do, they still have acne. What do you do with your patients that you see acne on TRT?
Yeah, I love to go directly to isotretinoin. That's Accutane in the US, but I'd like to give very small dosing. So micro dosing isotretinoin, like only 10 milligrams a day. That's very well tolerated, minimal side effects, just maybe a bit of dry lips. And after a while, it takes a while to build up because it's compounding the dose in your system. But after a few months, it gives really good effects on acne. And especially if you go up to 100 to 150 milligrams per kilogram of body weight, you tend to get off your acne for always. So after this accumulated dose, 100, 150 milligrams per kilogram, you can just stop it and be forever without your acne. So I see that in a lot of patients, if they are on TRT or not. Sometimes I get men from 40 years old still with kystic acne, and even with microdosing isotretinoin, but that can take up to 1.5 years, 2 years at that dose, but eventually they can stop.
Amazing.
So
Yes, that's what I've done with some of my patients. There's a fear of Accutane because of the liver toxicity. But at the low dose, like you said, we monitor the levels.
yeah,
I haven't seen any liver toxicity. So I didn't know
exactly.
that microdosing to 10 milligram a day and you give it time.
Yeah. You just
Very
give it
good.
time to build it up to 100, 150 milligrams per kilogram of body weight. So that can take up to 18, 24 months at that dose. But hey, after a few weeks, it will already start to get better. And as you say, toxicity, it's just dose dependent. It's like having alcohol beverages. If you take just one a week, there's no problem. If you have 4 each day, that will hurt
It
your
becomes
liver
an
as well.
issue.
So at 10 milligrams, even if you do blood exams once in a while, you never see any liver changes in the enzymes or whatever.
Very good. What about the use of antibiotics like doxycycline? Usually, what I do, I'll do a course of doxycycline first, and a lot of patients improve with this. And if they don't, then I'll do the Accutane. Tell me about your use of antibiotics with acne
Yeah,
patients.
the problem with antibiotics is always the same. In most men and women and teenagers, they work, but as soon as you stop, the acne comes back. So I've seen young adults telling me, "Oh, I've been on minocycline or erythrocycline, whatever cyclines. I've been taking them for 5 years, and I can't stop because when I stop, everything comes back." Well,
Mm,
it's much healthier to do 1 year of microdosing isotretinoin than 5 years of minocycline. So the antibiotics, they work fine, sometimes quicker and without any side effects, but you can't get off them. It will all just come back, the acne. So,
wow, amazing pearls. Thank you, Stephen. Do you ever combine them, maybe to do the minocycline for a little bit to kind of get it to go away quickly?
no, it's contraindicated.
Okay.
Uh, the cyclines, so the antibiotics that are most indicated for acne, you cannot combine them with retinoids like isotretinoin because there's a rare side effect when you combine these, intracranial hypertension. That's one risk if you combine those. So it's a no-go.
Very good. So it seems, what's the usual typical dose of of the tretinoin? Because 10 milligram is microdose. What's the usual dose that I see they use usually?
Oh, you can go up to your body weight in kilograms. So if you weigh 70 kilos, you can titrate up to 70 milligrams a day, but that's
Mm,
very heavy on the
very good.
liver, on the lips, dry skin everywhere. So if we do a good dose and you want it, if you have a good young liver, you don't take any other medications, you don't drink alcohol at all. I sometimes give people half of their body weight, like
Mhm.
60, no, 30, 40 milligrams. That's just a normal dose. And with
Wow.
that dose, you will get up to your cumulated 100, 150 in 6 months' time. and then you can stop.
Amazing. And then maybe the 10 milligram if you're even more worried, but you stay microdose but long term.
Yeah, yeah.
Perfect, man. This is look at this. This is the dermatologist. Well, who else can give such great advice? I will
Well,
bring that back to my patients. Thank you, Stephen.
yeah, sure, sure. I have over 22 years of clinical practice now, so I've been doing this every day for the last 2 decades.
Yes, yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes. Are there any acne washes that you like? Any of the benzoxyl preparation?
yeah. We have a lot of salicylic acid, benzoic
Salicylic.
acid type containing cleansers, those standard things. But once you get on isotretinoin, you don't have to use those anymore because they will dry out your skin even more. So
Yeah,
you just wash yourself with a very gentle wash once on retinoids. But if you
amazing.
don't take, or but if you are not taking retinoids, just antibiotics, oral antibiotics, for example, then you try to
Then you
dry
can use
out
this.
your seborrheic skin with one of those washes, salicylic acid, benzoic acid. There are others.
Perfect. Thank you, Stephen.
You're welcome, Rudy.